Hello guys, today in this video is specifically for the people who are having trouble um, promoting their affiliate link. This is basically a video where every affiliate marketer or people who are interested in doing affiliate marketing and getting commissions, they can use this service. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. Obviously, you have to watch few ads. So this is a newly set up DG24 account, which I did for this purpose, and I have tested it. So you can see I use this service from this part to this part, and you can see how much visitors I got. And I stopped here because I put my Shopify store link. And yesterday I got 290 visitors, and today I got two, just got two. So this is the website actually. Okay, so I'm gonna put the website link in the description of the video. Okay, when you will click the link, you'll go through few ads, and then you will go to redirect it to the website. And then once you are on this website, you have to create your own account by using your email and a password and your name, obviously. And then once you are in this area, you can simply click on this goodie freebies and then click on 50,000 free visitors. Once you will click over here, you will come someplace like this. So right now I have already done that part, but when you will come for the first time, you'll see a video at the top of the screen over somewhere over here, and you'll watch that video for 14 minutes. Okay, you can just play the video and just do your thing. Just watch that video, and then after that, they will give you an access to this specific place. You can see here you can put your affiliate link or your own website or whatever you want to bring traffic to. So I have put my own affiliate link from DG24. You can see this is the product I'm actually advertising right now, and here you will put the title. Try this easy affiliate, whatever catchy title you can put it over here. So after this, they will guaranteed bring 50,000 visitors to your website, and you can see 9495. Probably I will refresh and it will increase. 9496. Look, one more visitor over here, and let me check on my DG24 store. Look, three visitors now. So I think if 50,000 people visits your link, probably I think maybe 100 person would buy this product. So I am consistent that this product is good. So you can choose whatever product you like or your website. I also tried this on my Shopify store. You can see, and I just um, understood one thing that this website or this tool brings mostly from English speaking countries, for example, US or Canada or countries like that, they speak English. So, so make sure whatever product you're promoting, it's in English so people can buy it, you know. So this is really good thing that you can use for free, okay? And you can go to this website by using the link below in my description, okay? And that is pretty much it. It's simple thing, not no BS. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and the link of the website is in the description below. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you so very much for watching the video. Bye bye.